Ladies and gentlemen, wow, we got bitched. Anyways, we're trying to get to a beautiful car show for you guys today. You know, record you some content, but we're in downtown Toronto, so as you can see, there's some action going on already. Got the beautiful Ferrari in front of us here. Oh yeah, look at Justin. He's not even paying attention. He's too busy. We're just trying to find a spot, man. That's really all we're trying to do. We're having a hard time, but Justin's here, stressed out.
Fucking fuckface.
But we will get them content, right, Justin?
Yeah, if we can fucking move.
Okay.
Like,
we'll catch you when we actually get out there. So, yeah, Justin and I finally found. Can you get in the shot?
Oh.
Justin and I finally found parking. Now the problem is we forgot the mics, like the case, and we don't know where the car is.
We're working on it.
We're lost in a maze. Hopefully we get some car content. Otherwise it'll just be a fun video of us like
figuring shit out.
Seeing how unorganized. Oh look, there's a spot there now.
Oh,
of course, right? We're just taking you on the journey, man, because this is all part of... Look, there's another beautiful spot. It's going well. Yes, there she is. The not-so-studious mobile.
Phenomenal.
Okay. Okay, so now I really mean it when I say we will see you outside.
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Show has begun.
This is one of those things right now where it's like...
Show has begun.
Figure it out.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure out where we're technically supposed to go.
Yeah.
In
like
the midst of, you know, we're in the right area, clearly.
Yeah, like we have a rough idea.
We're in the right area. No, but we are definitely going the right way because, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Masterpieces, brother. See, you gotta understand, to you it might just be something on four wheels. To me,
yeah,
it's artwork.
You know what? I feel that.
Like, come on, man. Woo. You gotta love it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so in the right spot.
Definitely, yeah.
Each one of those is about $1 million, buddy. How do you feel about that?
I feel like I'm lost here.
Yeah, but we're seeing some nice shit, right? So it's worth it, you know?
No, I mean, I guess that's a good point,
like what we just looked at, Aventador, GT3 RS, and an AMG Black Series. All three of those are on my bucket list. And
I mean, it's just one of those things where when I hear the names of those cars, it immediately just, I go
sorry,
blank.
well, it's better than Prius Prime, so...
Hey, okay, let's not shit on Prius
like,
Prime, okay?
You know, it is what it is, but
okay.
Now, you know, we showed you a sneak peek of some of the goodies.
Right.
As I just told Justin, I don't know if we heard it, so I'll say it again. These are like, you know, it's different from your day-to-day A to B driver, you know?
Sure.
It's a work of art.
Yeah.
It's a weekend car, you know? It's a garage princess, you know? You don't really take it out often, but when you do, it's for special occasions like today.
Right.
Especially when it's got a V12 in it like that Lambo. But anyways, I'll stop...
ranting?
Yeah, I'll stop ranting. I can go on for hours about this, so I'm sorry.
Alright guys, so basically, we're in the middle of fucking... whatever the fuck these things are.
Ferraris, Justin.
Are there Ferraris?
Yes, they are. It says it on the back.
Yeah, sorry, let me just...
A few moments later.
There you go. Hopefully they saw that, right?
We also have another car nerd here.
Hello.
Yeah. So, yeah, we're gonna try to, if you can't hear us, it's whatever. You're here for the cars anyway, not this idiot, so...
Hey, you know what?
I'm just gonna be teaching him anyway, you know?
Yeah, this whole day is essentially about him... There you go. Okay. Him teaching me about why I should like cars.
Well, I mean, you know, more than like the cars you do anyways.
Yeah, no.
So,
I mean, okay, well, listen. I don't think the Prius Prime is that horrible.
Okay, we're not talking about shit boxes today, okay? We're talking about those today. You understand? That.
Well, I don't
Sorry,
understand.
not the security guard. That.
Okay, fair enough. But,
Can you name that?
The Steal Your Girl 3000.
Ferrari 458 Spider.
I'm close enough. Anyways, let's get talking some cars.
Let's go. All right, Justin. What do you think?
I mean, I dig the color for sure. I just think my main problem with looking at cars like this is like... I don't even know. Like, I think my main problem is like, you know, how do you afford something like this?
Usually, you know, drugs. Anyways. Look down there. Oh yeah. We'll get down there eventually, but for now, I'll give this back to Big Man here.
I mean, what do you think about a car like this, Micah?
For me, no. For me, the one next to you is more my taste. That one right there.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, and maybe the black one next to it as well, because that is just phenomenal.
Let's try and see if we can zoom
You
in.
can go up to it again. It won't. The rail won't bite you, buddy. Unless it does. Can you name either of these?
Little Red Riding Hood.
That's the same one that was down there that I actually named about 2 minutes ago, the 458, and the one next to it is an SF90, which is actually a beautiful car in person.
So it's not Little Red Riding Hood?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
The Roma's nice, but it's more of like a tour.
What's back about the SF90? It's kind of play on the road of Scuderia Ferrari. Since it's a Ferrari, it's Ferrari Scuderia Ferrari 90.
Thank you, car guru Tyler. We appreciate it. Keep going. Keep giving. You know, maybe I should give you Justin's bike.
And Justin, do you know that Ferrari make the car is not for people to buy? It's just like they to fund the F1 team.
Oh, really? Eh?
Yes.
This one here, what would you say?
That's an
about
old one. It's a 360, but it's a nice ass car. That is actually as old as us.
Really? Like
Yes.
it's an 02?
I think so. At least somewhere between 02 and 04. I don't know that specific model one, but
I don't know why I dig something like that over something like this.
maybe you like the classic look. Me personally, I like the flashy, pearly white, you know?
So
like-
you're more of a modern guy is what you're saying?
Yeah, probably.
Fair enough. I mean, to be fair, let's just for a second, look at the drip for a second here.
You want me to do you?
I mean, I ain't wearing much. but
Hello, Padre.
Padre is insane.
Sorry.
How dare you?
What is that? So what it is for the Aventador, although it's 3 different models, what's the one thing in common you can kind of see?
I mean, they all pretty much look the same.
Yeah, okay. But look at the body shape. It is designed after a fighter jet. Okay?
I would never have guessed that.
Right. But if you look at it now at the side, can you not see it?
I can.
Right. That's what I love about it. Also, hopefully you get to hear... Oh, you heard one earlier, actually. That orange one on the road over there was an Aventador.
Oh, yeah.
So it's the sound, the look of it. It is just... It's a statement. You guys could fund that right there.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Would you like us to drive around in that?
We'll wrap it orange too. Actually, you know what? No, we won't. I kind of like that.
I kind of think
I
the
like that
bronze,
a lot,
yeah.
actually.
Would this be considered copper or bronze? Or would it be?
I would call that a bronze, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, Rolls Royce. Inside of that, it's like a limo, man. It's, you know, we were talking about the S Class and the Rolls Royce. I think you can kind of tell now. Like if you look at how roomy it looks in the back there.
Yeah.
You don't. When you buy a car like this, you don't drive it yourself. You sit in the back seat and you get someone named Tyler to drive it for you, right? As he shakes his coffee up. Anyway,
That's a point. You have a point.
says what it is right on the hood if you can read, but you know. Maybe you're right.
Okay, I was gonna say. So clearly I can't read.
Do you know that Aston Martin F1 team is owned by Canadian?
Yeah, we do. Thank you. Lance Stroll's a shitter, but besides that point. So Justin, look, since it's, you know why it's empty here? Because no one likes electric cars.
Okay, listen, I like electric cars.
Yeah, of course you do. But these are Lucids, straight from where? China?
US.
Oh, oops, I just assumed. anyways.
I don't know about you, man. They look phenomenal.
Yeah,
to me.
they look so good. They look good. They look good, I won't lie. Side note, the color on that Lotus, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a really nice like British racing green.
Dude.
Pretty sweet, man. You like them, eh?
I do.
Oh. God damn, boy. And now, you get to see the beast itself.
This is Batman's car.
Awesome, awesome, awesome car.
The fact that the engine can mean so much for a car is
Yeah,
crazy.
literally.
See, I think
it's strapped down. That's how powerful it is.
And that's just the thing is, I appreciate the intricacies of things like this over the car itself. It's
And
weird
then
to me.
that way we have Britain's finest again.
Is that a British car?
Yeah, a Bentley, and then Lotus at the end as well. I don't know if you know what you're looking at, but I've probably talked about it a million times. The GT3
Can I guess? Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, sorry, guys.
Yeah, okay. Well, GT3 RS.
Good man.
Thank you.
And what's next to it? We saw it earlier. Do you remember?
Ooh, is that another Audi one?
Yes, sir. Already all right. You got it.
Yeah,
But this, it's just like, man, the wing, there's just something.
GT3 RS.
Thank you, Professor. Yes.
PKD shifting.
Tickety shifting.
Sorry?
PKD.
Okay, peekaboo to you too. Anyways, beautiful car, man.
but it's okay. Yeah.
What?
There you go.
SF90. Waiting for those Lambos, baby. Electric. Oh yeah.
Ah, yeah, there you go.
Oh, listen to this one. Ready? Never mind. Left. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. And a Testarossa in the back. Wow.
See?
You want my attention now? The rims on this one's great. Damn. Well, guys, at this point, well, my mind has been officially changed. I think cars are not as useless as they, I guess, present themselves to be.
Well, they're more, there's more to it than just your point A to point B vehicle, right?
There is. My one thing would still probably be that I don't feel the need to spend the money on those things. It's cool to see them.
Yeah, but like, it's more for you than, I mean, it is the flex, I guess, to an extent. But for me, if I could, I'd buy it just for me. Like, I don't, you know what I mean? It's just a personal.
And that's usually what you'll hear people say. And maybe one day we'll do an interview with someone that has a car like that and see the reason why they bought that.
I am hearing V12s all over the place, and it is very intriguing. So this is our official outro, I guess. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and happy Father's Day, because today is Father's Day.
Yeah, today is Father's Day. You probably won't see this on
Father's Day, but
But hey.
just I hope you guys had a good day with your dads and everything. And
Yeah. And as always, thank you very much for following the NSS crew, yes, if you will. And with that said, peace and
love.
yeah.
Oh, he's right here.
sick ass car.
No.